Now I'm the king of the singers, baby, a custom 99. I'm jungle green, I'm nice and clean, and I am running fine. Oh, shooby-doo, I wanna sew with you. I want a piece with you, and maybe free motion too. Oh, it's true, I wanna sew with you. I want a piece with you and quilt with you too. I know that was silly, folks, but I am just so very excited to introduce to you all our newest friend, our newest power tool. That's right, this is a 1941 Singer Model 99 in the bentwood case. We're naming it Louie, king of the singers, king of the jungle green singers. We're just loving it. But the reason I made this sewing machine or restored this sewing machine is so it can run out of my vehicle. And I really am. I'm going to be hitting the road this year, 2023, and I want to get out there and sew with as many of you in person as possible. So if you will let me know in the comments below, it's a real quick survey. I just need to know from all of you, what is your most exciting sewing adventure? Would you prefer to be sewing on a cruise? Would you rather sew at a sewing retreat, like a multi-day retreat? Or would you like to sew for like a single day class in person with me? So if you will let me know in the comments below, real easy, you can just comment with cruise, you can comment with retreat or class, but let me know where you would like to have your personal sewing adventure with me. Let me know where you're from if you would like, so that I can start to catalog or map out the road trip, and we are gonna have a blast. So again, thank you for letting me do my silly sewing stuff here at Sew Well. I appreciate all of you. Stay well, and we will see you in person real soon. Thanks, everybody.